Today, I am reviewing the Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Pool Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent most of my life as a pool owner dreading the weekend routine of manual vacuuming and scrubbing, but after several weeks of testing the Dolphin Nautilus CC, I can confidently say that this robotic cleaner has completely shifted my perspective on pool maintenance. When you first pull this unit out of the box, the first thing you notice is how compact and surprisingly lightweight it is compared to the older, more industrial-looking cleaners that used to dominate the market. This is a critical factor because you're going to be lifting this in and out of the water constantly, and the design makes that transition remarkably easy. The setup is truly a plug-and-play experience in the most literal sense. There are no complicated booster pumps to install, and you do not have to worry about hooking it up to your pool's existing filtration system. You simply plug the power supply into a standard outlet, drop the robot into the water, and let it sink to the floor. Once you hit the power button, the internal navigation software takes over. I was initially skeptical about how well it would handle the specific layout of my pool, but the way it maps the surface is impressive. It does not just wander aimlessly. It seems to have a methodical approach to covering every square inch of the floor. One of the standout features that really sets the Nautilus CC apart is its wall climbing capability. Many entry-level robotic cleaners stay firmly planted on the floor, leaving a visible line of grime at the waterline. This Dolphin unit, however, has enough vertical suction and tread grip to scale the walls of the pool all the way to the top. Seeing it reach the tile line and scrub away the buildup that usually requires a manual brush is incredibly satisfying. It handles the transition from the floor to the wall without flipping over or getting stuck, which speaks to the balance and engineering of the drive system. The active scrubbing brush is another high point of the performance. Instead of just vacuuming up loose debris, the brush spins at a much faster rate than the robot moves. This means it is actively agitating the surface, breaking loose stubborn algae or stuck-on dirt that a suction-only cleaner would simply pass over. Despite this aggressive scrubbing action, the brush material is gentle enough that I haven't seen any wear or marking on the pool's surface itself. After a 2-hour cleaning cycle, the pool looks pristine, but the real test of a robotic cleaner is how easy it is to clean the unit itself. This is where the top-load filter basket design becomes the hero of the story. On older models, you often had to flip the entire heavy, wet robot upside down to unzip a messy debris bag. With the Nautilus CC, you just pop open the top lid and lift the basket out by its handle. You can spray it down with a garden hose in about 60 seconds, and it is ready to go again. The mesh is fine enough to catch everything from large leaves and acorns to fine silt and sand, which is essential if you live in an area with a lot of wind or nearby construction. Energy efficiency is an often overlooked benefit, but it is worth mentioning. Because this unit runs independently of your pool pump, you're not putting extra wear and tear on your expensive main filtration system, and the power consumption of the robot itself is remarkably low. It is a much more cost-effective way to keep the water clear throughout the week. In terms of reliability, the Dolphin brand has a legacy of over 40 years, and you can feel that durability in the construction. It feels like a tool designed to live in a harsh, chlorinated environment without falling apart. For anyone with an above-ground or in-ground pool up to 33 feet, this is arguably the best investment you can make to reclaim your free time. You are essentially hiring a dedicated service technician that lives in your shed and works for pennies. It has turned a multi-hour chore into a simple 2-minute task of dropping the robot in and walking away. If you are tired of the manual labor that comes with pool ownership, the Nautilus CC is the solution you have been looking for.